Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Firewall again. From today I'm starting a new series where I'll be performing troubleshooting. So in day-to-day life, whatsoever issue we face during the checkpoint firewall administration work. So I'll be providing guidelines, steps to reduce a simple, complicated day-to-day life troubleshooting errors what we get during our work. So I just configure my security gateway, management server, and cluster. And right now, this is what I'm getting an error. Let me show you what I have. So basically, I have a simple design. If you see, I have one SMS, one security management server, one gateway. I mean two gateways. Both are in a cluster, and this SMS is managing this gateway. And I have one Windows server where I'm trying to uh, see if the communications are happening well. So this is a simple topology I have, and right now if I go to the my dashboard, I tried to install the policy, I got an error. Okay, policy installation failed on a gateway. There is no valid license for the security gateway. To view existing license, add a new license, use smart dashboard, sorry, smart update SK 11054. uh, Let me quickly capture the screenshot of this error so it will be helpful for me later on. All right, so this is what error I have received. So I hope you should not receive such error, but in case if you receive this error, what is the solution for it? So basically what you need to do, first go ahead and check this SK. So log into your checkpoint firewall and search for this SK. Let me see the SK one more time. SK 11054. SK 11054. Let me see. Okay. So it's guiding me for the licensing, I believe. So let's see once this document is opened. So yeah, basically this document talks about how you can activate your license, and this is a cool video given from the checkpoint, so you can go ahead and watch this video and then perform the action. So I already watched these videos and I know where and what need to be delivered here. So let me log into my account to generate a proper license for this gateway. So I have my account. Let me see if I remember my password. I think so. I am or not. Okay. So go to the product evaluation page. So guys, this is the demo purpose. So whatever the license uh, I'll be generating is from the demo lab purpose. I don't have the actual checkpoint product to have the valid license. So those are the demo license. So it's advised to you Use this license as per your requirement, but not for the real world, you know, uh, protection purpose. So right now, let me show you what I have. So okay, we know this error. Now let's go back to the smart update. I hope I'm seeing here. So now it's like a managed license and packaging. So meanwhile, I wanted to show you how my cluster is look like. So right now, let me. Right now, I'm seeing that my cluster node one is down, one is active attention like that because of the licensing, I believe. Let's do this. So let me go to the license contract. As you can see, for the SMS, I have a valid license. For a gateway one, I also have the valid license. For gateway 2, I don't see any valid license here. The license is already got expired for the gateway 2, because that's why you're not seeing anything. So let's try to get the license for the gateway 2. Uh, Evaluate all the gateway and management blade on any gateway or other evaluation. Let's see what we have here. So what is this? Carry evaluation license, travel license, security management, cloud card. So I can see too many licenses here. For the security gateway, let me see uh, if I can use any license from here. Let me try to have the license. Or let's do like this, all in one. Select your account, give the IP address of my gateway. Let me see what IP address I have. 1110. Okay. So 192.168.1.1110. Purpose is evaluation of software blade and feature. I am okay with all your conditions. So it's taking time to generate a license. So wait for a minute. I have in detail videos on licensing part. If you are feeling that okay, the steps I'm performing here, it's kind of going above your head. Try to go ahead and watch my videos for the licensing, and you will and again come back here and you will understand how this thing works. So let me see, get a license file. I hope I can see license file here at the top. Okay, so license number 5, it's got downloaded. Yes, so let's go back to your smart uh, update and try to import the file which we just downloaded. So this is the file we just downloaded, and just I wanted to open it. Okay, so look like it's imported the license. Okay, so see, the gateway 2 also have the valid license now. Now let me go back and say install policy. Let me see if it works. Still, I am getting an error. The license, I think the policy instruction failed. Let me check what it is. Policy instruction failed on a gateway. There is no valid license for the security gateway. To view existing license, add new license. Okay. So right now, I believe I have the valid license, but still it's saying there is no valid license. So this is what you are seeing here. We have the valid licenses in place. So what we will do, uh, we'll again try to do something here where from which we can say some sync need to be happen because of the licensing part. Let's do this. I think this is let me first go to the expert mode, clear my screen, cpha props add. So it's saying the node 1 is down. Let me do this. So let's install the policy one by one. Okay. So install on each selected gateway independently. For example, let me go ahead and install. So what we are doing, we are just installing a policy one by one on each gateway to see if this issue get resolved. Okay, still giving me the same error. You know what happens sometimes if you have done mistake for installing licenses and one gateway is having a license and another is having issue, that time it causes this sort of issues. There's a one way we can reset the sync between the SMS and the gateway, and then we'll try to install the policy so that what are the things we have with the gateway will fetch by the SMS for the installation of policy, or we'll try to load the policy from the security gateway directly, but again that may fail. So let's do this. Let's go to the gateway and let me see the communication part. So I am just saying reset the gateway communication and I'm just closing it. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the gateway one. Let me do this. cp config and select the number 5 for the secure authentication. I want to reset. We like to reset. Yes. Give the new activation key and exit. Note that these steps involve your gateway to be reboot. So Make sure you have a valid downtime, to performing these activities, or your cluster solution is working well, so that your traffic is fail over from one to another. For example, let me see my cluster status. As you can see, the secondary is one active and the traffic is passing from there, and the gateway one is down, right? So you should have some solution in place before doing this thing in your real environment. Now let's me do the communication for the with the gateway. Now it's saying trust is established. Uh, let's publish those changes what we did, and then we'll try to install the policy, and we'll see if whatever the licensing part we have delivered is taken by the gateway. Select this checkbox and install the policy. Still is saying fail. Let me see what error now. So the policy installation failed on the gateway. There is no valid license for the security gateway to be existing license. Okay. Still it's giving me that error. Let's go to the gateway. Let me clear the screen. Okay. So now it's saying the HA module is not started. So let's go to the CP config. And if you see there is option number 6. Let's do that. Okay, let's reboot it once. And again, we need to enable that, because when you do such sort of things or such sort of mistakes, you have to do a lot of things, because how the gateway behaves, we don't know. Right now, even if we can see the cluster member, the cluster membership for this gateway uh, is enabled, still we are getting the issue. But let's see. Let's the gateway get reboot, and we will again log in back in a couple of minutes. And as you can see, the licensing part, everything looks good. So gateway 1 has a valid license, SMS have the valid license, and gateway 2 also have the valid license. If this scenario will not work, what we will do, we'll try to get a license separately for the gateway 1, which we already done, for the gateway 2 as well. But let's see how it works. Let me see if uh, Still it's showing loss. Gateway 1 is back 192.168.1.101. Okay, admin, go to the expert mode. Now see cp prop start cp config and press the number 6. Let's reboot again. Now we are enabling the cluster membership on this gateway. So wait for a couple of minutes and let's see what happens when gateway get rebooted. I think gateway is get rebooted, started. Now let's create a duplicate session. Let me log into the gateway. Expert mode and cpha prop status. Okay, now it's showing down, but somehow that issue is fixed for the cluster membership. So let's keep trying. Uptime. So it's up now. CP license print what it gives. So it gives me valid license status, which is cool. CPHA prop status. Okay. So let's go back and again try to install the policy. Let's see what happened this time. Let's try to add a specific gateway. And let's install the policy. Still the same error. Let's go back to the gateway. Uh, Let me see what is the status of the policy here. Let me do this. fw unload local. So whatever the policy is right now installed, that is got. I mean, whatever the policy is now installed, that is I'm just unloading it for the purpose of in case that is causing issue. So let me reinstall the policy. still failed. Okay, there is no valid license. So I think we only generated a license for, okay, for this guy. What we will do, we will again regenerate a license for this gateway. Okay, because whatever the license previously we have, it's giving an error for that, I believe so. So let's go back to the evaluation page, and here give the gateway IP address, and let's get evaluation license. So license file got generated. Let me go to the smart dashboard, no, sorry, smart update, and install a license file for the gateway. This is the latest one. Okay, so it got imported. Right, now let's go ahead and try to install the policy. Okay, still is showing failed. If you check, we have the valid license. Let me do one thing. Let me deattach the license what we have, and then let me add the new license. Okay, so let me deattach the license from the SMS as well. And now let me go for the gateway license. Let me deattach. What is getting deattach license? The license is detached and delete from the sheet. About videos looking at so it's nice one. Yes. Okay. Let me log in back here because I think some error are there. So if you see, right now I don't have any license here. Oh, sorry. I can see only the one license for this gateway, and both SMS and gateway they don't have any license. So let's have a license for the gateway. Control active license. Sorry, add license from file. This is latest one. Why I am not getting any license? Zero license for free. Okay, do one thing. Go back to your product evaluation. This is how sometimes things behaves. So guys, you have to be patient and you need to deliver the things because that's what we are, checkpoint admin. So let's go for the other evaluation license. Select your product here or not here. Let's go all in one. Next, select your account, give your gateway IP address 192.168.1.101. Then evaluation purpose, get license. Okay, get license file. Okay, so let the license file get generated. I think those got downloaded. Let me go ahead and install. So latest one is 8, I believe. Why it's saying zero license for retrieved? Okay, now we have the license here. Now again, same, do it for your SMS for the sake of uh, licensing for every part of the gateway. Try, go to the product evaluation, go to the all-in-one evaluation. Next, 192.168 1 dot I believe 100. Let me cross check one more time. uh, so this is what I can see, 100. Yes, let me get evaluation. Now let's get the license file. Okay, so it's getting downloaded here. Let me go to the packaging license contract, get our license from file, and the latestly downloaded file should be there. Let me do one more time. So I think it's not downloaded or what? Hmm, let's do one more time. Get license file. Okay, this one. So let me go ahead. License contract, add file from file. Number 10. Okay, so license is there. Let me go ahead and install the policy now. I hope this time it should work. So still I am getting an error. The cluster license. There is no valid license for the security gateway to the existing license. Okay, let's do this. Gateway 1, get license. License has been successfully attached. Let's go for the gateway 2, get license. SMS, get license. Hope, let's see one more time. Okay. Let's try to install policy from gateway itself. Uh, Let me search the article for that. So let me log into the SMS. Sale of the SMS 192.168.1.100 admin password. Go to the expert mode. So if you
Hello guys.
if you come to my channel, if you go to the video list, so I have one video where I have mentioned how we can install the policy from SMS already here. So if you see, I have given the command here as well. So you can refer this command uh, for installation policy from the SMS. So let me quickly write down the command what we require here. So let me have this install policy package name. So let's go ahead and have those details in place. If you come here, security policy, you will see the policy package name is standard, but let's come and check from here. So this is what the policy package name. So let's have name standard target gateway name. So let me close this. Security gateway and set cluster 1. Cluster 1. Let's try to put this command into the SMS. Let's see if it works. Username is admin. Give the password. Let's wait for the installation done. So policy initialization is happening. So again, from the CLI itself, it's giving the error, and now we are saying installation failed again. And here is also there is no valid license present. So if I go to the gateway, CP license print. It's giving me the license is valid, but I don't know how it giving me an error. The installation is failed. So guys, we tried all possible options. I think this is a lab environment, and due to some sort of issues in the lab, or maybe the OS, or maybe the configuration, or whatsoever, I don't know it. So this is how you can do the troubleshooting for the licensing. I hope in your real time environment, one of these steps will solve your problem. Uh, I am doing the research again here. I'll again provide you the another video for the error. Why I'm not able to install a license. From this video, you can learn what are the troubleshooting steps you can perform to resolve this sort of issues. So guys, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for the next video. Uh, I'll be uploading soon. Thanks guys.